This thing really sucks. Let's try to fix that. The main reason why I'm doing this operation is that typing on this keyboard is almost as bad as typing on this keyboard. And typing on this keyboard is worse than typing on this keyboard, which is a $25 keyboard from China. To disassemble the keyboard, I needed this tool. I searched inside the toolbox, but it was not there. I searched underneath the keyboard and the keycaps, but still no luck. I even asked Burro the cat, but his paws were clean. It was nowhere to be found, until I searched in the forgotten workshop. Finally I found them, but they are all covered in these nasty white, I don't know, maybe feces? Spiders, as I thought. Ugh. So I decided to do it the hard way. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that was simple, kinda. Here you can see the problem with this keyboard. IBM, when building these otherwise majestic keyboards, designed these crappy plastic rivets which are breaking apart. The next step would be to remove the PCB from the board. Studio Edward here. This idiot is removing the wrong bolts. Do not do that. This is the right one. I need to change tools. I was searching for the right tool and I found a screwdriver, and I found out that the place where you place the head is the right size. So here I am screwing these bolts like a boss. Let's go. And it comes right off. Now with a razor or something like a razor, I need to cut all of these. Maybe I won't be needing a razor after all. No, okay, I'm going to look for a razor. This is the perfect moment to tell you why I decided to bolt mod this keyboard, and my opinion on bolt modding itself. It is not something that I like. I believe that mangling a working Model M example with nuts and bolts is not as good as Redditors want you to think. I don't like modding collector's pieces like this keyboard. Then you may ask, why are you bolt modding this keyboard? Well, the reason is simple. In this case, this keyboard is unusable, and the plastic mold was already cracked. I had nothing to lose. And this is really weird, since I've never seen white button springs. Crazy. Then I proceed by removing all of the buckling springs and save all of them inside this green glass. Something really weird about this keyboard are those plastic tubes here, which I don't know what their purpose is, but I'm storing them for later.
One eternity later.
I made all of the holes, but they are not large enough, so I have to remake them with this other drill, and they will be large enough. It's going to take 10 minutes. Me and the keyboard, we had to go a long way through in the process of making this video. So before reassembling everything back, I decided to clean all of the pieces that I didn't clean in the last video. And I began screwing the bolts. And it is done. Now I need to place all the springs back. It's over. I freaking hate placing these things. It took like forever, but it's over. I tried some of the keys that were not working properly. It seems like to be working better. Now I need to place the PCB back, and then I'll reassemble everything and test the keyboard. Finally, everything has been assembled back. I don't know if this keyboard works. I haven't tested it yet after the bolt mod, but what I know is that this key, I had to remove this piece because otherwise it would clash and stuck on the bolts. And at first glance, well, I was going to say that it has not improved, but maybe a little bit. The only keys that really sucks are those, but maybe I need to do something else with those keys. But these keys are working. They were not working before. Let's go. It took approximately 12 hours. And I ruined my day because I lost this feather.